how to make and create Amazon product image on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create professional product image for your Amazon product easily and fast. All what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account, and this is the home page. Click on create a design and search for Amazon. Click on Amazon product image option here. Now choose a template from here. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say, this one. Click here and you can change the picture and add your product picture, for example a phone or something you want, and you can change the informations from here. And yeah, it's so easy to edit, and you have many other options right here. Choose any template you want. For example, this is for the skincare, and you can change the text and the pictures again from here. And yeah, it's so easy. For example, this one again. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.